Let me know, let me know. Let me know, let me know, let me know.
Relationship off and on since 2004. I never made mistakes that I made excuses for. Now what's it gonna do when I try to keep it real? I know I broke your heart, but you don't know how I feel. Thoughts of being with you, could that be my destiny? Over the past couple years, try giving you the best of me. But women lie, men lie, but the truth don't. Nasty set you free, even when the truth won't. I felt my worst pain when I saw my brother die. So it's only right I had to make the song cry. Rio, hold me down, I know you miss the crew. Sharon rep you hard, you know she miss her boo. Poppy, Shamari, Rhonda, Kiki miss you too. All your cousin, brothers, sisters, we love you dude. It's so much drama on this Facebook and MySpace. I just chill and blow draw and go to a high place. Or ride through the city slow, blow that silly dro. Pop the Remy, mine know we gotta sip it slow. As I ride through the city slow, blowing on that silly dro, pop the Remy, sip it slow. As I ride through the city slow, blowing on that silly dro, pop the Remy, sip it slow. I ride through the city slow, blowing on that silly dro, pop the Remy, sip it slow.
Let me know, let me know.
We stars, man. We make it glow, man. That's why y'all gonna hear my joints, man. I got them joints, man. Y'all gotta really listen to Nas, man. Soul touching music for real, man.